Previously on Choices.
You alright in there?
Yeah, baby.
I don't know what I'm going, dog. We try everything.
Yo, see right now, all you need is a new girl.
What do you call it? You see me then get in him?
What's your name?
You start your work in the bedroom, you get anything you want.
Hey girl, link me, see? But an inside link over a bit of me.
You know how much months now? I'm stressed out. I can't bother.
So you say you can't bust me on the thing and me come for you the rest of money.
You think something? You go in a bathroom and see how long God we knows what you're doing there.
Yeah. My name is Dennis, so nice to meet you, Stephanie.
Nice to meet you. Oh, you're shooting girl for my girl. I'm tell you if you're not shooting girl.
Yo, man, tell
you're
you
shooting girl for my girl.
Fast, you.
Well, you're shooting.
You know what? I think you should get ready and go because your brother don't really like me and you being together, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, I think you should get ready.
Forget about my brother.
This dating thing, me no want no Facebook, me no want no WhatsApp, me no want no Twitter, me no want none of them something. They no.
Steph, yeah, come here. You don't come home? Why you don't come home?
Hey Steffi girl. What's up? Girl, the Facebook thing actually works.
So I don't think this is a good idea.
Why?
I'm married.
I tell you like this, it's probably was a bad idea. Maybe we should just leave. And you give me back the money.
I don't know about you, but this money will come with me.
Hey boy, give me them chain them.
So you know what? Don't make me call them and you know show up in the best way. Go over there, near me piece of food. You see me? And me don't want you go over there to kill nobody. Make sure say nobody never chat over there. See?
I want to kill my husband.
Yeah, money there. Hey boy, turn on.
Fight for your rights. Always listen now. Fight for your rights. Always. Buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fighting. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite.
Yo, Kush, we have to stop up at Mojo Studio. You want to chat to me about write some song for the artist when you're in Reno Flex. Brother, stop by now, man. Real quick, man, stop by because I have some computer to deal with. Dog, you need to get back into the studio, you know. Yeah, there, man. I want to chat to you differently too, you know.
Can I make a write two songs for him still? Even though him the one who write him song them for himself.
If you can make that up, make it happen, dog.
So I do it, man. You must work on the chicken Roger.
Big man thing.
Come to the artist from England.
It come like a joke thing. You not even make a dollar for that, brother. But so them things they're going on. Life goes on.
So I want to Kush.
Yo, you know, Sir General, can then dip him man in the brother.
Yeah.
Man just dip on this team, say, in turn, big rapper.
Then enough to make you write some song for him, man.
You know much time I tell him that? But every man of them want big man in the brother. He can't tell him what to do. Mojo, respect you for the info. Yeah, brother?
General.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yo, Kush. Yo. Oh, go on, dog. Yo. Everything good right now. Everything up. Dog, that one good idea. Yo, everything work out. Dog, you want to see me having a man right now? Red wine. I can't stay off hard. A mad thing in there tonight. I'm not telling the dog, like you want lifesaver. I say a word, man, yo. Me shout about later, because I'm there on the doors, eh? Ah, cool. Beers! I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together, and with the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same room, oh God, and Jah provide the bread. Is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling?
What getting here?
Yes, may I tell you, when I come a while ago, I get in a one right mood, gotcha. And I'm popping tonight. You better get ready. Come jump in that shower. Come on, come. You always have said, you need to go good, and everything will go right.
Another level of love from the day that I found you. Baby, you give me good love. That's why the natty chose you. Yeah. Love the way you hold me so close when we make.
Yes, you have a second round.
God, I can't manage no more.
Eh? It's cool, no man. Tell me, you know. I just time with the thing.
How are you getting here?
That's cool, man. I have the remedy in up here. You know. Search and find it.
That's how you always go on.
Z. Tell you, man. No, me not left you hanging.
Anything we do, just keep on doing it. I enjoy that.
God no, babes. Only if you know. But that's how the thing go, man. As I tell you, I just time to the thing, you know. Just give me some time. Nice, you know? Thing up.
Truly, they want it, I'm a miserable man. Sure.
I know. And I cuss me every time. And I tell you, just give me some time. You know what I mean?
Look, baby, you take up the thumb drive off of the table?
Thumb drive? What thumb drive? I never took a thumb drive.
No, from your workplace or something. Leave it on the table.
The help on the counter?
Mm-hmm.
Never see it. Check it out.
Wow.
Which thumb drive there? Tama ini yang depan thumb drive tu. I expect nothing. Yes, maybe we should just leave. Maybe I can't keep out the money.
Yes, it is like we have bills to pay. We have a lot of stuff to do. So.
Quench! Calm back. Jesus Christ. They set me up.
They sent me off. Call me back.
Give me them play, no say I want pretty black girl. From me looking at you, I'm missing me next day. Yeah, yeah. Give me them play. Say she never get a love like this before. From me then she walk into my door. You are my keeper when me score. She said much of her, give me some more.